I might not go out into the backyard to get my greens for juice because we have a visitor. I know I'm filming through the permanent screen, so, but that's a skunk apparently trying to dig a burrow right outside my kitchen. This could be a problem. I mean, he's cute. He's cute as all get out. Oh, that's a really bad. I really wish it would focus better. But he's not in a good spot there. That's not a good spot. Dude, that is really close to my house. I wonder what he's digging out. I suppose there could be some mice under there. I think I need to go scare him away without getting sprayed.